Hi everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about inserting at a given position. So now let us consider there is a linked list with 5 nodes like this, and we want to insert a new value at position 3. There are values 10, 15, 7, 21, 30, and I want to insert 100 at the position 3. Okay, then what should we do is, this is just an illustration. First we will start with the illustration and then write the algorithm. I want to place it over here. What can I do is, I'll be keeping a temporary pointer here. Let the temporary pointer temp point to the first node, and let counter be equal to 1, right? Counter is equal to 1. Then I'll be moving the temp till counter is having a value less than position minus 1. That is, I'll be standing in the node. I'll be placing my temp one node before the position, and then I'll be trying to insert the value, right? So I have to move this temp here, right? So till it is less than this counter is less than position minus 1, I have to move the temporary pointer, and then what should I do? I have to make a connection. That is, I have to establish connections like this. That is, I have to make like this. Okay, 2 links have to be brought so that this node comes in between 15 and 7. But which one should be done first? Either this one or this one. So when you look at it, suppose if you are going to do this one first, right? If you are going to do this one, this is the only place where address of this particular node is available, and address of the next node is available here. So if you are first of all changing this, okay, you will be losing the address of the node having the data 7. Obviously I will be missing all the nodes which is following this. I will be missing a part of the linked list itself. So I should be very careful when I am going to give the connections. First of all, I have to establish this connection, and then I have to make this, right? So first of all, you tell this is temp, and let us call this as new node, right? So let us tell new node next, okay, next part of new node is equal to next part of temp. Okay, where is the address of this? This address is a temp. So let us tell new node next is equal to temp next, and then you change temp next. Temp next is equal to new node, right? If we do like this, then the node will be inserted. Fine, everything is good. Let us discuss about the corner cases and what else we have to take care. First corner case is when you are going to have the position as 1. So what is the difference when I have the position as 1? It means that the new node will be the first node in the linked list, and head should be pointing to that. Okay, so better call the insert beginning whenever your position is equal to 1. Done. And the second case is whenever we are working with positions, we have to consider the validity of the position also. So here there are totally 5 nodes. Now if I want to suppose insert as the 7th node, so as per the algorithm, I have to stand in the 6th node and do the operations, right? We have to place the temporary pointer in the n minus 1th node. If you are going to insert a node at the position n, then we have to place the temporary pointer at the node at the position n minus 1, right? So I should be pointing my temporary pointer to the node at the position 6, and I have to do the operation. But when you look at it, there is no 6th position at all, and if you try to do without care, if you are not giving proper care, then you will be facing segmentation fault, right? So you should be very careful when you are going to move the pointers, that you are not going to derefer at null pointer, right? Null actually means that it doesn't have any address, and this is how we initialize the next part of the nodes also in the code. So we should be taking care that this null pointer is not dereferred. Okay, dereferred in the sense you should not use this operator, this arrow operator with a null pointer. That care should be taken, otherwise you will be seeing segmentation fault, right? So let us put the idea in the proper form of the algorithm. For insert position, when you look at it, 3 inputs are given. First one is the list in which we are going to insert, second one is the position where we are going to insert, and third one is the data which we are going to insert. And in the first step we are going to check position as 1. As we discussed, we are going to call the insert beginning function because this is an exceptional case where we have to change the head. And if not, we are coming to step 2 where we are going to declare a temporary pointer and make it to point to the first node, and also we are going to declare a variable counter and initialize that to 1. And then we are writing a loop where we are going to move the temporary pointer, okay, to point to the node at position -1. So we are writing while counter less than position -1, but we should take sufficient care so that your temporary is not null, right? So you take care that if temp is null, then you are going to return false, otherwise you are going to move temp to next node. Actually these two steps should be swapped, we will see during implementation, okay. And then we are going to call the create node function. If the position is valid, then only we are going to create the node, otherwise in proper means of programming you have to delete the node if the position is not valid, okay. So let us not take the burden. First of all, make sure that your position is valid. In case of invalid position, make your code to return to the place of call so that you are safe, right? Now if you are safe, then you are going to create a new node, place the data in the data part, and after this you are going to proceed. Before proceeding, for safety you have to check whether memory is correctly allocated, right? So you are checking whether new node is null. If it is null, you are going to return false, otherwise proceed, and make the next part of the new node to be equal to the next part of the temp. That's what we were discussing, right? First of all, you have to make the new node to point to the next node, and then you will be making the node pointed by temp to point to the new node, right? So let us start the implementation, okay. So we are going to add a insert position, return type is bool because we are in C++, okay. So let us tell insert position, and data is coming and position will also come. So 2 integers will be coming as argument for this function. Let us come down and write. So let us tell bool, right, and a list. Let us tell insert position, right, insert pos comma insert, sorry, int pos comma int data, and let us start the implementation. Here you are checking whether your pos is 1, right? If it is 1, then you are going to call insert beginning and return what it is going to return. So let us call this, what you should pass only the data. Next, otherwise what should you do? You should declare a pointer for temp, let us do everything together, and a pointer for new node also should be declared, right? And then we should have a counter and initialize that to 1, okay. Then while your counter is less than, okay, less than pos -1, right? Those many moments are enough because your counter is initially pointing to the first node. You will understand once you trace the code and do for a small linked list, you will definitely understand it. While counter less than position -1, you have to you have to move the temp and then you check whether it is null, right? So let us move the temp and then let me check, right? Sorry, I should tell temp equal to temp next, and then you check if temp equal to null, then you will be returning false, right? Why? This is if the position is not valid. If your position exceeds, then you have to take care of this, otherwise you will be moving out of the linked list, okay. Otherwise you will be creating a new node, right? New node is equal to create node, right? You will be creating a node, with data alone you have to pass it, and make your new node to make your new node be equal to the temp next, right? New node next is equal to temp next, right? This is done. But before this, for safety, you should check whether you had a memory in your heap, whether dynamic memory allocation was successful, right? So if new node equal to null, we can tell, or if not of new node, then you can tell return false, because null is false, right? So if not of new node means if new node is equal to null, both are equivalent. Okay, so then you will be making the next part of temp equal to new node, right? Then we will be telling okay, I should do all these things outside this, right? This should be taken and put it outside, because in the loop you will be just moving the temporary pointer and you will be check if temp equal to null, that alone you will be doing. So let me finish the brace here, and yes, this is done. So this is inside the function, you will tell return true. If all these lines are executed, then the function is successfully done, right? So we can check this insert at the position function by writing the main, by including in the main. Okay, I missed a semicolon during declaration, that is there. One more thing is, I haven't initialized the temp, right? We have to initialize the temp equal to head, that was also missing, right? And counter plus plus we have to put. Okay, and yeah, I think other things are fine. Let us check it. Yeah, let me see the code. Yes, I am trying to insert at the position 1, 10, right? Now let us try to insert at the position 2. Okay, so it should be like first value, then 10, and so on. Yes, you can see that it has been inserted as a second value. Third value is also fine, we can insert, yeah, and fourth value is also fine, right? You can insert it as a fourth value also, yes, right, after 5. But when I try to insert as the fifth one, it should be a failure. I should not get it into the list, right? Okay, is empty, but I am getting a segmentation for, let us check it. Yes, that's because I commented this temp and I moved down. Actually, you should move to the next position. You should move temp to the next position, and then only you should check for null, right? So that was the mistake. Now let us compile the code and execute. Yeah, you will see that 10 is not inserted because it is not a valid position. Okay, so I will be sharing the code in the GitHub. You can also try it by yourself. Thank you.